How to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games without login. Hey gamers! Accidentally linked your Rockstar account to the wrong Epic Games account? Don't worry, you can unlink them even without logging in. Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. Important note, unlinking can mean losing progress in online Rockstar games. Make sure this is what you want before proceeding. Step 1. Contact Rockstar Support. Head over to a web browser and search for Rockstar Game Support. They handle unlinking requests, unlike Epic Games. Once there, navigate to the Submit a Support Request button, or section, I mean. Step 2. Provide details. Choose Social Club account as the category and account linking as the specific issue. Here's the key part. Please state you want to unlink your Epic Games account and include the following information. That confirm you understand losing progress in online Rockstar games, and provide your Rockstar Games Social Club nickname but not your login email. Then, find your Epic Games ID or username and include it in your request. You can find your ID in your Epic Games account settings. Step 3. Attach optional proof. For faster processing, consider attaching a screenshot of your Epic Games profile page and showing your ID. Step 4. Submit and wait. Review your requests, then submit it to Rockstar Support. They'll get back to you via email to confirm the unlinking process. That's it. While you wait for Rockstar's response, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more gaming hacks. Thanks for watching.